the Little Mermaid saw a prince feasting on a grand ship.
Open the fridge door! Wow!
Like spell, she followed the prince for days. Finally, the ship docked, and the prince was stepping off. Huh? Where are you going? Aha! She loved the fresh, tasty food, not the prince.
Open the fridge door.
Wow! Even after a long voyage, everything is still fresh. The freshest meal of a lifetime was made by Bespoke AI Refrigerator, enabling better living Bespoke AI.